Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to repair accidentally deleted UEFI partition in Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type list part. No system partition under partition. Type create part EFI size equal to 1024. Type create part EFI size equal to 100. Type list part, partition 1 is created. Type format FS equal to FAT32 quick. Type assign letter equal to N. Type exit. Find Windows installed drive. In my case, Windows installed drive letter is C. Type VCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /S space, assigned drive letter colon space, /F space, UEFI. Start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.